Splashing paint and rolling dice across the tabletops, today I'm leading into some wargaming action. Today I'm in Sheffield for Chillcon, Wargaming Convention. Never been to this one before. We're going to have the usual looking around, bit of shopping, but I've also entered the painting competition, so fingers crossed we'll see how I get on with that. And there's also Vikings, amazing dioramas, amazing minis, lots to see, lots to do. Let's get going. Just submitted my entry into the painting competition. I'm not really expecting to win, but it's all just a bit of fun and it's nice to actually join in for a change. I've gone with Ducal of the Valiants from Bot War. I think the inspiration's fairly obvious. I'm a big Transformers fan. What's more fun than painting a mini, but painting something that you're really interested in? There's lots of things I could do to improve it. Neater painting, more interesting base. So enough about my mediocre painting. How about we check out some of the amazing competition entries? They're spread across a whole bunch of different categories: historical, vehicle, sci-fi, fantasy and open. Let's go check them out, they're really good. It's lunchtime, which would be fine if it wasn't for the fact that the food truck that was meant to be here broke down on the motorway. It's left me with a 10-minute hike up and down the hill to get to Aldi. Plus, while I'm out here, I need to book myself a taxi because there's a train strike on. So I need to get a taxi back to the coach station so I can get home tonight. So far, I've really enjoyed this convention. It's only a small one, but everyone's super friendly. There's some really awesome scenery and terrain builds. It seems like it's going to be quite a lot to do this afternoon. I'm going to have a go at doing some wargaming. But the location isn't ideal. Finally going to do some gaming. I'm going to play a game called Zombie Glory. I'm mostly drawn in by the incredible scenery. It's super detailed. It must take ages to make. There's loads of little details. You can see in the footage how much is going on here. It's huge. So the game's quite straightforward. You get two moves. You can do an action, you can walk, you can run, and you just have to make it to the safe zone to survive. But as it's a zombie survival game, there's constantly zombies entering the board of play and trying to attack you. So let's see how we get on. Right, unfortunately I have been killed. You can see my corpse right there, but I've been reinserted into the game. So there's still a chance for me of survival. Second chance. movement away from winning the game, but I'm in serious peril at the moment. I'm being engulfed in zombies, so I'm probably not going to survive till the end. I'm dead. I didn't survive. I got within about 6 inches and then I was overwhelmed by the oncoming hordes. Managed to kill a few zombies on the way out, but yeah, I was unsuccessful a second time round. Sad times. Really good game though. Unfortunately, it doesn't actually exist. It's just a game that is used for conventions. So if you go to a wargame convention, look out for Zombie Glory or a game with the name Glory in the title, and that'll be these guys, and you can experience this really fun game. I'm at the Mighty Lancer game stand. It's a huge stand and they've got all sorts of cool stuff, but I particularly like these heroic characters based on dice. Not for any game, but I think they would be quite a fun addition to my 2 paint pile, and one day I'll assemble and paint them. It's 3 o'clock, everyone's gathered around to see the competition winners. I'm here mostly just to see who's beaten me, rather than expecting a glorious victory. I'm out of time. It's a race to go get my taxi to get back in time for my coach. Unfortunately, I didn't win the painting competition, no surprise there, but I've had a really great day. This has been a really, really good convention, and they've got the 5-year anniversary in April, so there'll be another Chillcon in Sheffield. I don't know where exactly yet. But fantastic day. Everyone's just been super nice. I've had loads of great conversations with people, not just at this convention, but also in Sheffield. People of Sheffield are just super friendly. No cliffhangers today. I've just arrived back in Birmingham. It's about 10:30. I missed the 4 o'clock coach. So then the next coach was 8:20. So I had 4 hours to kill. So I went to have a Taco Bell, which wasn't very tasty. I then went to the cinema and watched Bullet Train. Not a very good film. So if you want to laugh at me, comment below. But next I will be at Birmingham Collectomania at the NEC in 2 weeks. So subscribe and you can see more adventures, hopefully with better travel arrangements. See you soon, explorers.